Why, hello there. I'm Haley from TornadoHQ.com. I'm going to do a brief look at the weather, which is that there is some weather. Yeah, that's very true. There is actually, as I'm recording this, a tornado warning in effect thereabouts, and of course, some warnings elsewhere in parts of the country. But let's take a look at the outlook in general. We do have a slight risk today, enhanced risk tomorrow, and then a slight risk on Sunday, and then some predictability to lows. So maybe some stuff afterwards. Here's today's risk: 2% chance of a tornado. So clearly, the wind and the hail threats would be the larger threat with today's issue. However, the tornado warning is not even in a 2% tornado risk area. So, make of that as you will. Tomorrow, though, things have bumped up. In fact, I wanted to show this. This has been the progression. So this is for Saturday. Let me look at my watch. The 17th. It started out kind of as a slight risk. And then as of the most recent one, they, being the Storm Prediction Center, have bumped this one up to enhanced. And then they've also, so how it became enhanced is because the wind and hail maps have been upgraded to 30%. And they've gotten the black hatched area, and I've just remembered if I do that, then it's going to go back to this. I have to go up here, and what a mess. There we go. So they've added this is the wind map, this is the hail map over here. They've added both the 30% chance and the black hatched areas. So black hatched areas for a wind threat, again, instead of just being roughly 60 miles per hour and greater, 75 miles per hour and greater. Severe hail, instead of it just being 1 inch and larger, it's the 2-inch or larger is what is somewhat favorable in the black hatched area. After that, which is what? A Sunday, June 18th, you also have a slight risk going on again. And if you go and read the text, they do mention that what is it? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Relative helicity. Yeah. SRH. I forgot what the S is, and I'm just completely blanking. Anyway, it's suggesting at least a low probability tornado potential. But yeah, so that is a look at what's going on. I'm going to have to Google SRH after this. Is it storm relative helicity? I don't think so. It's going to come to me later. I'm going to be like, oh, why couldn't I remember that? Yeah. Anyway, that is it for me today, and I hope you're staying safe out there.